Today we're going to do a quick overview of some Zoom features. So to get started, simply click on the link in your Schoology page and then hang tight, letting everything process through as it needs to. Your meeting should start automatically. And once it's loaded in, you'll be asked a couple questions, and the first one is, how do you want to join with audio? I'd recommend if you don't have a specific microphone, just click Join with Computer Audio. This will bring you right into your Zoom meeting. So I have my camera covered right now, so it's a little less distracting, but you can see all of your basic features down at the bottom. On the left-hand side, you have access for your camera and your microphone. And my first recommendation would be to click on the little caret next to video and click Blur My Background. You can also add different backgrounds or effects here, but you want to make sure the students are focused on you and not on what's going on behind you. Next, if you need to find the invite link, it's here next to participants. Just click the caret and you can copy that link here. When you select on participants, this will give you everybody in your meeting, and you can mute them individually or interact with them, such as allowing them to present. There's also a mute all button right down here at the bottom. The next icon we're going to look at is the chat icon, and when you select this, you can see that down here in the dialog box, people can post to everyone in the room. To change this, come up to the top and select the 3-dot ellipses here. Now you can see who your participants can chat with, such as no one, which will turn off the chat, but my recommendation would be host and co-host. This is of course your decision if you want to have a chat at all, but you want to make sure that students cannot chat to each other or just post messages willy-nilly to everyone in the class because they could list something inappropriate. Next, as we move over, we have the share button here. This is where you will share your screen or your tab or anything that you want students to see or interact with. And finally, under the More icon, this is where you'll find your breakout rooms. There is also a feature here to record your Zoom message right here, which will post this into your downloads folder after creating a Zoom folder for you. However, my recommendation might be to come up here to the top under our blue icon and select Recorder. This will record your screen or a selected portion of it and then post it right to the desktop of your computer so it's easier to find. When you're finished, you want to come over here and select End and make sure that End Meeting for All is your choice. This will kick out all participants and allow you to start fresh.